write your self-righteous symphony. I would rather let this go than to bring it up again. But everyone I know, they're afraid of their own skin, with nothing left to show. We're afraid of where we've been. You gotta let me.
Right now, we're about to do the kids' stockings. 2
Azriel?
days later, but that's okay.
Azriel, you get to go next. The first thing you got was a DVD, huh? Sounds like it might be loose in there, I'm not sure. Alright, DVD, next. Ooh, a little towel, huh? Nana calls it towel. Alright, next one.
Show the camera.
Awesome, we got a little book, Frozen.
Yeah.
You got a Mickey Mouse car. You got baby wash, baby shampoo, and baby lotion. Awesome. Say thank you, Santa. Thank you, Santa. Alright, Aries' turn.
I think he took a deuce. Ooh, Eddie.
Aries has tons of Reese's, and those aren't for you, Brianna. They're actually for him. All these Reese's got baby lotion, baby shampoo, baby conditioner, or baby wash, and then a Toy Story Christmas. Awesome.
And this is his stocking.
It's cute, huh? Now we just have Alice left, but we'll do hers after. Alright, baby girl gonna have her stocking open finally. They've been sick and stuff, so.
We have a little owl.
You got a little Alfie? She's trying to eat his nose.
Let's see what else. A Dumbo snowy day.
A little elephant book, huh?
Dumbo snowy day.
Mommy will read it to you after, okay?
And we got some baby wash. And we got some baby shampoo.
She's actually looking at everything.
Then we got a magic towel. Then we got some baby lotion, and we got. Thank you for watching. We'll see you guys next Christmas. Bye.
Baby doll.